Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the daily time frame chart of gold. Gold has been rejected from this level 1865 and gold is no more bullish. Now gold is bearish. Now gold is rejected from this level, and what targets gold has as support? The first support is at 1802. The second support is 1784. This is the second support. This is the first. This is the second. So forth. This is the third support. And the next, this is the fourth support. These are the main key levels for gold, and gold is now, according to my analysis, that started from here as a bullish, and from this, if you will watch my most of the videos, they are explaining this bullish, but this is the first video after consecutive videos in which it feels like, according to my analysis, now this is bearish. For entry, though this was the better on 4-hour time frame, let me show you that. And today I was traveling and just reached home and making this analysis. Otherwise I would have analyzed this before. These are the 4 hours, after which, according to my analysis, this was a retest of this before this is retest. This is the breakout of these 4 hours. So now gold is coming downward, and the first target that gold is looking at is this 1802, then 1784, next 1768, if not rejected from any of the support. These are the supports. But now, according to my analysis, gold is bearish. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and hit the bell icon to get the analysis at the time. Bye for now.